So you guys can see it. We got Jim Cramer turning bullish on Palantir. Quote, make a move and buy some. Apparently, this is what Jim is trying to get us to do. He's a staunch advocate for Palantir. Let's go through this article real quick. CNBC Mad Money host Jim Cramer has given a thumbs up to Palantir Technologies, sparking interest among investors. And wrong. Palantir has always been an interest among investors. Going back a couple of years, you guys understand that Palantir has been at the forefront of the influencer community? A lot of people talk about Palantir. But now you have Jim Cramer coming on board late to the party, and now he's trying to tell people, the people who listen to him, to go out and buy some. Cramer advised viewers to consider purchasing stock in Palantir on Thursday episode of CNBC's Lightning Round. The data analytics company has been a topic of discussion among investors seeking potential growth opportunities. That's what investors are all about. That's what we do. We look to see where the ground is more fertile to plant our dollars, to plant our money so that it can grow more. Make a move and buy some, end quote. That's what he said on his show. Cramer's recommendation comes as Palantir stock has seen varying levels of performance in the market. His endorsement is a notable mention for investors who follow his insights for investment strategies. Now, really, you got one side of the community who likes to do the inverse of what Jim Cramer says. He tells you to buy, you go out and sell. He tells you to sell, you go out and buy, because the performance of the stock in which he covers usually sometimes goes and does the opposite thing. Will Palantir be the same way? Palantir, known for its specialized data analysis software used by government agencies and large corporations, has been on investors' radar for its growth potential and innovative technology solutions. Palantir has recently secured a substantial contract with the U.S. Army valued at $178 million, emphasizing its expanding role in artificial intelligence and data analytics. Maybe Palantir just riding that wave, the AI wave. This deal underlines the company's growing footprint in the defense sector and its potential for increased revenue streams. And then Benzinga breaks out and goes into Cathie Wood. On April the 11th, Cathie Wood's ARK Invest made headlines for selling over $20 million in Coinbase shares and purchasing again Palantir stock. So you got these two social media influencers, Cathie Wood and Jim Cramer, looking positive on Palantir. So if these two people say that Palantir is a buy or go out and purchase some, and actually did in Cathie Wood's case, then apparently the chart is going to show us the same thing, right? You would think so. But we're looking at the chart now, and I'm going to ask you the question. Does this look bullish to you? Does it look like Jim Cramer bought Palantir? Does it look like Cathie Wood bought Palantir? Because what trend are you seeing off of this daily time frame in Palantir? Is the trend higher or is the trend lower? Don't worry about it. I got you. Because we're going to draw one line, just one line, and we're going to show you the trend right now in Palantir. So we got Benzinga doing hit pieces on Jim Cramer, saying to go out and buy some, make a move. We got them also mentioning that Cathie Wood went out and bought some Palantir stock. But then when we look at the chart, it doesn't look like the market is that bullish now, does it? So you tell me who's right and who's wrong. Because from my perspective, I'm going to stand on this, is that the chart is always right. Articles and people are wrong, especially when they're not the whole market. Yes, Jim Cramer may be a active participant in the market, maybe even Cathie Wood, but neither of these two people can move the price of Palantir by themselves. It takes a massive amount of money to move these stocks. And if the money doesn't look like this moving bullish, then those two people who are saying that Palantir is a buy, they're on the wrong side of the market, because the overall market is saying something else. So one thing that we're going to do on this video is that we're going to get rid of this buy zone. We created this buy zone right here, looking for Palantir, the buyers, to hold the market there. And so far they did, but April 2nd, look at that. The market cracked through that buy zone. They was able to get rid of some of these buyers. So let's get rid of that buy zone. Now, the second buy zone is still valid. It hasn't been broken to the downside yet. So we may see Palantir trade like this. It could do that, or it can do this. As long as we see this continued strength on this buy zone and then break back up, either or. Now, let's look at this on the weekly. Okay, how do you feel about this chart? What about the 2 weeks? How do you feel about that one? 3, 5. So what I can see when looking at this chart on the weekly time frames is that, yes, the market in Palantir is weak, but I'm also noticing that these buyers are still holding. They're trying to hold the market in Palantir. They're definitely trying to do that. Now, looking at some 330-minute chart, let me show you this, is that you can see, like right here, a massive spread bar there. You can see another one here. You can see another one there. So it's kind of like whenever Palantir wants to go up in price, you see this massive breakdown in price. And it suppresses the price action, that the market doesn't look that bullish yet. Because you can actually tell when the market is neglecting to let price fall or not. And right here, I can see that the price action is reflecting that these buyers aren't really trying to keep the market from falling. They're not that convinced that they really want to see value in Palantir right there around $21, at least to me. Now, it could be something totally different to you, but I just don't see the strength off of these time frames yet. Here it is on the 2. Take a look at Palantir on the 3 and the 5. So yeah, if I were to give like a chance, a probable chance, I would say that buyers, they still have a chance to keep the market from not going down. Maybe that's around like 35-40% chance. But it's to the point to where I'm not convinced that this market looks bullish. Not yet. So I'm just going to extend this over a little bit. And we're just going to see what happens. But yeah, give me your thoughts though. How do you feel? You bullish or you bearish? You looking for price to go up? You looking for price to go down? And just give me your thoughts. Make sure you maintain the profitability. And as always, trade different.